Jamaican.
Who is there? You want to break my door? Jamaican.
Boom boom, boom boom, boom boom.
I want to see my daughter. I've been calling you since you're not picking. Where is my daughter?
Can you just calm down?
Calm down.
Hey,
Calm down.
oh my God.
Where's my daughter? I said I want to see my daughter. Where's my daughter? Hey! Calm down on the floor here. I said I want to see my daughter.
What is wrong with you? Calm down. Don't you know my husband is at home?
Who is making that stupid noise in my house? What's happening? What's happening here now?
God have mercy upon us.
Who is he?
Okay,
I said, who is this man in my house? Jamaican Bobo. Come this way.
One man.
Where's my daughter?
One man
What kind of
became.
nonsense is all this?
It is smoky.
Even if you want to see your daughter, must it be in my house? Don't you have a sense of humor in your head? Are you forgetting she's already married? She's not married. Whatever two of you has been ended for years. What kind of nonsense is all this? That's
child.
all you've got to me.
Here is God. Oh.
What's all this? Is it smelling alcohol?
Jesus!
What a drunk from my house? What nonsense is all this?